Hey guys, we're on Route 12 in Norwich. Brock from Co-Manage turned me on to this lead. Somebody just bought this house, and looks kind of nice, don't it? I mean, I've seen a whole lot worse. Not bad house, but you ain't seen nothing yet. I already walked through. I forgot to bring the GoPro with me. I'm a dummy. I wanted to get first impression, and I completely forgot. This is the clean room. Yeah, I'm gonna try to go slow. I've noticed that I go a little quick and jumpy, so I'm gonna try to take my time. The windows are blown out. Nice couch. I don't even want to know what that is. I don't know, but it's hairy. It's not even fuzzy, it's hairy. Ah. Look at this, look at this. Wow. And these are the two neatest rooms. First rule when you're doing demos or cleanups in the summertime, don't ever, 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 ever open a refrigerator. It's like instant vomit inducing. Ugh. Look at this. Nice bar, huh? That's some classic stuff right there. Yeah, boy. Nice. My shoes untied. I don't even think I'm going to tie it. I'm going to take them off and throw them in the garbage. Look at this. There's not one spot in this house that is not disgusting. And you still have seen nothing yet. Nothing. Look at this. Look. You thought the Hoarder house was bad? This is the Hoarder crack house. Look at this. Look at this. They never threw anything out. They threw all their kitchen garbage on the floor. Look at that. Isn't that nice? Wow. Look at this. The reason I do cleanouts is to salvage stuff. Look, giant hole in the floor. Kitchen cabinets are gone. Walls gone. Yeah, the reason I do cleanouts, well, the original reason was so I could get salvage and stuff to fix or clean up and resell. Look at this. Wow. There's Winnie the Pooh. Isn't he cute? I am disgusted. Wow. Oh boy. Look at this. Man. This is what some tenants do, you know, they'll rent a house or an apartment and live in it. They don't pay for garbage because they'd rather buy cigarettes, beer, or tattoos. Bad tattoos, I may add. And they either throw I guess usually when the garbage piles up too high outside, they find a room inside the house they don't use and fill that room full of kitchen garbage. And then when that runs low, they start looking for another place to live. And when their living space gets completely disgusting and foul like they are, they move into another house owing thousands of dollars in rent and screwing that landlord. trust me, you know how I know? This happened to me. Twice. Yeah. Yep. So, that's the first floor. How would you like to see the second floor? I know you're waiting. Look at this. It's gonna take a crew of 7 guys, I don't know, a week? Holy crap. Now I've been through here already, and hopefully nobody's hiding out. I used to have to do this in Plainfield, New Jersey, where there'd be squatters, and you just never know. Drug addicts and squatters and you just gotta be careful. Somebody's liable to jump out at you and bite you or kick you or stab you or shoot you. This must be the attic, and it's locked. I can't get in there. It could be empty or it could be full. Look at this. There's 5 feet of clothing in this closet. High, 5 feet high. It's got to be 8 feet wide and 2 feet deep. I'm always nervous walking through places like this when nobody's been around. You never know who's hiding out. Right behind the couch. Whoa! We're in the closet. Wow. This is just awful, man. Holy crap. Man, I'm dirty. Whew. We did a cleanup job down in Bainbridge, so I figured I'd stop here and take a look, quick look to see what's going on. They want to get this place done like now, soon. Man, there's got to be friggin' 4 dumpsters worth of shit in this house. Look at this. In case you missed it the first time. Ugh. Look at this. How can these people aren't even human. They can't be human. I know animals that live cleaner than this. That would be embarrassing. These doors, I have no idea how long these doors have been open. Half the windows are open. Thank God, because it would probably smell like a body's been in here. Oh, boy. I think I gotta go look in the barn, too. You guys want to see what's in the barn? I know you do. I just gotta find it. I think that's it. Over there. Look at this tree that fell down. You may be bringing home a lot of firewood. Look at this. Holy crap. That's the house. Lovely. Oh boy. Oh boy. Yeah, look at this. Look at that friggin' view. Holy crap, man. Yeah, somebody's been here. 2-legged or 4-legged. Probably 4, but Never know. Holy crap. Look at this contraption. What in the flaming hell is that? This little railroad car, looks of it. And a hay wagon on the bottom. I hope there's enough light. Look at this, more crap. It's an old, it's metal. Old mechanic's box. Bowling balls. I have 40 bowling balls. Stop sign. Oh, ladder to go upstairs. Let's see what we got upstairs. See when we get hit in the head with a hammer, 2x4 or something. Oh. Wow. Oh, Jesus. Ton of crap up there, too. Look at all the crap. Oh, my God. Ouch, 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 ouch. Oof. Look at all this shit. Harry Potter books. Oh, pressure washer. Well, at least there's sort of a way in here. There's an old car. Another old car. Boat. Nope. Junk and rats and chipmunks and weasels. Look at that damn barn. Holy crap, man. That's a nice one. But look at this stone. Wow, the brickwork. It's like glazed. Wow, very cool. Some motorcycle windshields. Those could come home. About 60 cents worth of steel. Take to the recycler. Oh boy. Wow. Things I do to make money. Where that goes? Side? Yeah, that goes outside. Probably too dark for you guys to see anything, so I'm head out. That's a wild contraption. Wow. Huh. Yeah, I think this is one of those railroad cars. At least the frame is, maybe. Well, at least the wheels are. Oh, Jesus. Look at this. Remember what I told you about loading all their shit and garbage outside first? There you go. I wasn't making it up. This is all household kitchen garbage. Yeah, real nice. You know, up here you can burn garbage. These scumbags, excuse my language, are so lazy they can't even burn it. They're that lazy. You know, they're that effing lazy. You can burn garbage up here legally, and they won't even do that. All this could have been burned. Once a week, throw it in a burn barrel and burn it. Twice a week, 3 times a week, once a month. No. Too much work. Wouldn't want to get up off the couch. The filthy, dirty couch. Ugh. Okay. So, it's too bad this place is right on a main street on Route 12 in Norwich. Not a bad house. Just too bad it's a friggin' hole. Yuck. You can always come and play darts, I guess. Alright. Well, shut the door so nobody breaks in. Ha! Look at this. Wow. Yuck. Oh, I didn't show you the garage. Got to check the garage out. Yay. Look at this. This is another one. Look at this crap. Fucking, excuse me. Freaking people are goddamn slobs. Again, it's all kitchen work. Kitchen work. Yep. And then just move on and do it again. Move on, do it again. Move on, do it again. And just beat landlords out of their rent. Most of the time, they don't pay the mortgage of the house they're living in. I don't care. Alright guys, it's been fun. Another Hoarder.